Hey guys, welcome back. Um, I'm posting yet another video because I have a bit of free time. Did a lot of job searching and headhunting on the line. Right now, I was on computer. Spent almost 1 hour looking for jobs, applying, giving my CVs, and talking about all my virtues because I've been working for almost 10 years now, more than 10 years, with good companies. I've got a good experience and everything and all that. Basically, it is all about selling yourself to people who do not know you and people who necessarily at this point of time do not need you. So, but you need them, you need money, you need to survive. So, at this point of time, I believe people like us need to do things which we would otherwise not do, like giving cold mails, giving cold calls, calling from our own end, you know. But at this point of time, there are many people, and I have learned it the hard way too. I was also once, what you can say, a victim of a fraud. Never ever, especially it applies to all the Indian candidates right now. Everybody, whoever is here in India and facing this pandemic problem and facing job insecurity, job problems, and all that, and looking for jobs, getting frustrated, getting desperate. If any company asks you for money to give you the dream job, just run. They are frauds. They are frauds. Big schools, big companies, reputed companies, they do not take touts for headhunting. They know the best of the people will anyway approach them through their email, call them, whatever. And if they have to get people, they will place advertisements or they will post something on their websites so that everything is transparent. They will never hire low ranking touts and all these management companies who are just making money out of your desperation, out of your frustration, out of the need. This is the kind of human psychology. I'm so sorry, it is so sad, but that is the kind of human psychology that people have, that when people are desperate, they are frustrated, they are in the verge of ready to do anything, that is the time they cash in that desperation. That is the time they think that it's the golden time, it's the golden opportunity to make money. There are so many, they don't take us as human beings, they don't take us as intelligent human beings, they take us as targets, they take us as numbers. Okay, get as many as you can, just take 3 grams, 4 grams, 5 grams from them, promise them, give them some fraud paper or something and all that, which has got nothing to do with the actual institute or the actual company that you are giving the so-called interview to them. They even don't have any link with them, because they would be kicked out of the main gate if they try to get in, because they know they are fraud. They don't have any contact over there. It is just to fool you, just to fool people like us. Never pay money to get a job. Apply yourself, do headhunting, drop your CVs to those places, be it schools, colleges, wherever. Maybe out of 100 places, out of 200 places, 3 places will come and contact back, respond back. But they will. And they will be genuine. They will not be fooling you. They will give you an authentic and a real chance. So my advice is, do not fall into the trap of these headhunting companies which call themselves human resource company or human resource management companies. They 8 out of 10 or 9 out of 10 are just touts, pure and simple. They will take money from you and they'll be gone. They'll switch off their phone. And at this point, do you really think you can afford to do that when you do not have money? When you do not have job? Do you have that kind of time and you do have that kind of money to waste on frauds? No. It is better to work hard right now. Do all the effort by your own self. Approach the schools, call them. If they don't pick up, fine, mail them. Be very clear. Keep all your options open. But do not fall into the trap of the touts. They will call you a million times. They will promise you the star, they'll promise you the world, but at the end of the day, you will be the one losing out money. And again, as I said, falling into the vicious cycle of depression with none of your fault. You are being duped, you are being victimized. The only fault will be that having that knowledge with you, you still are falling into the trap. That is the only fault. Do not make that mistake. You are smart. It's just the time which is making people desperate. Don't make this desperation make you take wrong steps which you are going to regret at this point of time, at this juncture, where each cent, each money is valuable. You have to save. So the idea of this very brief video is, whatever headhunting, whatever searching that you are doing, do it yourself or through the references of your friends, of your trusted people, of your network who are your well-wishers. Not through any fraudulent job placement, so-called job placement companies who are making big claims of giving you jobs in hundreds and different places. At this point of time, when people are getting laid out, people who have been working for a company for more than 5 years, 6 hours, they are being laid out. And they are promising that they are going to give you your dream job. Do you really believe that? Is it that simple? If it was that simple, then why so much unemployment? Why so much frustration? Why so much anger everywhere? It's not that simple. They are just lining their pocket and making it's a very dirty world out there. They are lining their pocket out of your fear, your insecurity, and your desperation. Don't feed them. They are like vultures. They are like parasites. Don't feed the vultures. Feed your own self. Feed your own ego, your confidence, your strength. Feed yourself so that you have the energy to fight every day. Okay? So that was my idea. That was just like a brainwave that I had while I was doing my job search right now. So I thought that I should give my point of view at this, and I'm sure many people are facing this. So just a word of caution, and everything will be fine.